morning to class 3 students. I hope you all are good and fit and fine at your homes. So, today we have a new English session and it's the 14th of July and I hope you have watched yesterday's video very carefully. It was about a poem, A Was an Ant, which describes, the poet is Edward Lear and he's describing first 5 letters of English alphabet beautifully, selecting each with a character. So we have seen the clip also. I hope the poem is very much understood now, and we have certain keywords in that poem. I have written them on the board yesterday, and I hope you all have must written it in the notebooks, in practice notebooks, because you are not having the notebooks. Today, Tuesday, is the day of your notebooks to be returned, so please go get your notebooks back. And I must say, everybody has put in so much of effort to keep the records of things we have done. Some students have beautifully maintained the notebooks and books, and they have just written each and everything I mentioned there. And I must say, third class students, most of the notebooks and books were very nice. And like we subject teachers, we teachers were very happy to see those notebooks. And it it is just to acknowledge your time you have given, your energy, your passion towards notebooks. Some notebooks are so beautifully covered, some students have such beautiful handwriting, and those who need improvement, I have taken a note of it. Okay, and it is given in that for your notice also. So I hope next time the improvements will be shown there. And I must mention all the notebooks and books which were not there in the school. Please, boys and girls, those who have not submitted the notebooks, when we make the next schedule for the notebook checking, do send your bags. Okay, and this complies. This makes you feel like we have to be ready with with our work every time, because we can ask any time for your books and notebooks, and it has a point of assessment there. Okay, so now talking about A Was an Ant, it was a beautiful poem by Edward Lear. And today we will be doing the word meaning. There are no question answers for poems. I have just written the keywords there, difficult words, and I have explained the meaning also. Some I have selected which will be written as word meaning. So on the next page with the date, proper details, and yes, one more thing. It's very important actually. Class 3 and class 4 both, like it happens every time. Whenever you are writing like English grammar, please, most of the students have written it like this. This is not correct. Grammar is not written, spelling is not written like this. It is a grammar. Okay, so make corrections. Wherever I have noticed this, I have just put it underline it. I have underlined it and corrected it. But if sometimes it happens that it is a human error, if it was left like that only, please usko correct kar lenge. Okay, grammar, GRAMMAR, it's not GRAMMER. Okay, so now moving towards word meaning, you will be writing in the notebook. And the next thing I wanted to tell you is कि always start your work like आज का session आप attend कर रहे हैं, please write the details, date, heading of the topic, because every time whenever I give you a session, there is a heading and there is date written. So please mention the date also. It enhances the record. It's very easy to find out the work, classwork and homework. Okay, so you'll be focusing on the instructions. Now the first word I'll be writing here is seldom. A was an ant who seldom stood still. कभी मतलब 100 में से एक बार वो रुकी होगी. There are rare chances that she stood still. So seldom means hardly ever. जिसके बहुत कम chances हो. Hardly ever. One more thing I noticed, नहीं बहुत से students ने बिल्कुल सही लिखी हुई हैं. But whenever you're writing some word meaning or keywords or something like that, do not write with capital letters. जब आप sentence लिख रहे हो, make sure initial letter बड़ा होना चाहिए, capital. But whenever you are writing random words, single words or two words, do not write it with capital letters. आप उसको small से ही रखेंगे. Okay. Then second one is seized on. Seized on means seized on, like the cat seized on to the tail, like rat's tail, caught hold of. Seized on, caught hold of. किसी चीज को पकड़ लेना, जकड़ लेना, that is caught hold of. Then third meaning, word is crafty. The cat was a crafty like cat. The cat was crafty, like it was there. The crafty cat, the crafty fox. Whenever we want to add an adjective to someone which is more than clever, like clever से भी बहुत ज़्यादा चालाक, so we add this word. It's a synonym for clever. So I'll be writing clever. Okay, cats are clever. Yes, they are. Then the fourth word is stately. Stately means it was given. It was a word given for referring elephant. Elephant is huge, large. So stately means large and yes, majestic. Or you can say large and huge, or giant can also be there. So large and majestic means it has a majestic figure that mesmerizes others, जिसको देख के ऐसा लगे कि कितना विशाल है ये. विशाल इज द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड जो हम एलिफेंट के लिए वहाँ यूज कर रहे थे. फिफ्थ इज करेज. करेज मीन्स बहादुरी, ब्रेवरी. ओके, करेज, ब्रेवरी. Then sixth one is the last one, queer. It was also used. It is also used for elephant's eyes. Queer little eyes, because elephant तो इतना बड़ा है. The actually contrary was that कि elephant is stately, बहुत बड़ा है, but it has queer little eyes. बहुत ही strange, because इतनी बड़ी body पे इतनी छोटी छोटी सी eyes, obviously it will look strange. So queer little eyes means strange little eyes, like different, very different, strange. So these are the word meanings for A was an ant poem. I'll be reading them aloud. Seldom, hardly ever. Seized on, caught hold of. Crafty, clever. Stately, large and majestic. Courage, bravery. Queer, strange. And these are the 6 words. You have to write these words and the meaning also. We have done the keywords already. So this poem will be consisting of keywords and word meaning only. There will be no question answers for this. Okay, so I hope this is clear and you will be writing it beautifully on your notebooks. Okay, you must be using your practice notebooks till now, but today you can get your bags back. So please do it in the fair notebooks. Okay, so moving on further. Now we are done with the poem and I'll be quickly moving to the next chapter, that is the Kids Club, chapter number 3. Before going into the reading part, I'll not be reading the chapter for you from the book, and it's quite like you can read it for yourself, and this is your homework. Actually, you have to read the chapter yourself today or whenever you get the reader book back, because some of you have sent the reader notebook, but I have not checked it because I asked for grammar and grammar book and grammar notebook and reader notebook. Okay, so maybe some other time I'll be checking the reader book also. So chapter number 3, the Kids Club. What do you get from this word, Kids Club? Yes, it will be a lot of fun if we have the Kids Club. It's full of activities, it's full of like games, it's full of fun, it's full of laughter, it's full of energy. Yes, these are the words, these are the phrases or sentences which can describe a Kids Club. Actually, it is like that. Suppose you don't have friends, or if you have friends, you are just stuck in a building where there is no space, no enough space. I would say enough space to play around. आप ऐसी बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं जहाँ पे खेलने के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है, छोटी मोटी कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ फ्लैट्स हैं और कुछ नहीं. बाहर पार्किंग है, बेसमेंट में भी पार्किंग है, एंड यू कैन नॉट प्ले ऑन द मेन रोड बिकॉज इट्स मूविंग ऑल द डे लॉन्ग. सो व्हाट विल यू डू, लाइक आप कहाँ खेलेंगे? बिकॉज आउटडोर गेम्स आर ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट लाइक इंडोर गेम्स. इंडोर गेम्स भी बहुत लाइक both are equally important. बाहर खेलना, that has a different feeling. And in our times हम तो बाहर ही खेलते थे. We didn't बस खेलते भी थे तो indoor games were like ludo and carom and chess, nothing like that. हम phones पे नहीं time spend करते थे, and it is just a wastage of time and energy because you are playing something with an idiot box. Actually, idiot box is basically a word used for television, but phones are like ठीक है, these devices are very useful because this device is connecting me and you. Yes, it is important, but her time, every time you are sparing time for your games on mobiles, it's not good. बिकॉज आप उसके साथ खेलना चाहते हो विच इज़ नॉट कंपैटिबल अकॉर्डिंग टू यू. आपको उनके साथ खेलना चाहिए. यू शुड कम्पीट विद पीपल, लाइवली पीपल दैट कैन शेयर थिंग्स विद यू, जिनके एक्सपीरियंसेस से आप सीख सकते हो, लड़ सकते हो उनसे. बिकॉज वेन वी फाइट इन गेम्स, वेन वी हैव दैट स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप और दैट स्पिरिट ऑफ प्लेइंग, वो एक अलग ही एटीट्यूड लेकर आता है. वो फ़ोन हमें कभी नहीं दे सकता. Phone will never tell you what is the correct sportsmanship. वो सिर्फ scores या you can just fire some, because I notice these games nowadays with children. So please avoid these games and play outdoor with your family. Don't meet some like strangers out there because it's not safe. अपने family members के साथ ही खेलिए. Now moving on further, हम ज़्यादा डिटेल में चले गए. Kids Club. So it is a story about three friends and basically there are four characters: Gautam, Sanaya, Saif and Uncle Venu. Okay, this is a story about three children who are living in Bharat apartments. Their building name, because in big cities there are apartments. Like हमारे सिरसा में ऐसा नहीं होता है, ऐसा नहीं है. Rarely, हाँ, now it is big building up. बहुत सी ऐसी जगह बन रही हैं जहाँ पे flats हैं. So in big cities, due to congestion of space, flats बना दिए जाते हैं. It has a parking area, but बच्चों के लिए कुछ खास नहीं है. मतलब in some buildings it can be there. So these children are now thinking what to do, because they don't have a place to play in that apartment, and moreover it has 12 floors. 12 floors हैं और किसी भी जगह पर कुछ भी like empty space नहीं है जहाँ वो खेल सके. So their friend, like one of them, Gautam, suggests कि let us play at the staircase where the stairs are, like apartments में stairs are there. ऊपर जाने के लिए lifts are also there. So staircase वो होता है जो stairs के नीचे की जगह होती है, vacant space. So some people use it for storage. कुछ लोग उसको storage के लिए use कर लेते हैं. But if some have not used it, तो वो वहाँ खेलना चाहते थे. But Sanaya, the girl, was afraid because she didn't like staircase. It was dirty and dark. कोई उसकी सफाई नहीं करता था, बहुत अंधेरा होता था. Then next, Gautam suggests let us play a game to ring the doorbells and run away. And it is not actually a good game because it disturbs others. आप दूसरों को disturb कर रहे हो. They are just doing something important and you just rang the bell and they will come out to see who is there and you just run away. So it disturbs other, and it is nothing to be applauded about. It is not having any, like, it doesn't have a motive. Play those games which will teach you something, which will bring out something good into you, okay, from your side and side. So they play this game and they try it for 3-4 times, and at the last time when they were doing it and ringing the bell and running away, Gautam fell down and he hurt himself. So there was a man, Uncle Venu, which was a fourth character. He comes up and he just counsel the students, why you do this, why you disturb people. So they say, we don't have a place, uncle, to play, and that is why we suggest these kind of games. So हमारे पास कोई जगह ही नहीं है, what to do, हम क्या करें. So then Uncle Venu suggests, I have a vacant room, or I have a spare room in my house, in my apartment, so you are welcome to use it as kids club. So there is what a kids club came to existence, and they made a kids club there and they go and play there now. So this was a beautiful chapter talking about games and children, like how do they feel when they don't have enough space to play. Because बच्चों के साथ क्या है, they want enough space where they can play their kind of games. Okay, so you must read the chapter, and I'll be giving exercises tomorrow. I'll be solving some I'll be telling you some words, and please do have a pencil with you when you are reading and underline the new words which you find, like which words you think it's not known to you. So underline those words and read the chapter. I am adding a clip after this introduction, and you will be more making you will be more clear with the kids club chapter. And tomorrow I will be not reading the book from the book actually. मैं book से अब read नहीं करने वाली हूँ. You are doing it yourself. Okay, everybody is listening to me. Advik, Advika, Ikisha, Parth and Saira, everybody is there. So you have to read it yourself and underline the difficult words. Tomorrow we'll be doing the exercises. Okay, I am adding a clip. Do watch it, and the homework is to read chapter number 3. Bye.
Literature. And today we are going to read the story and we are going to understand the chapter. So let's see what happens in the story. 3 children could not find a place to play. What did they do? Read and find out. Characters: Gautam, Sanaya, Saif, Uncle Wayne. So children, the gist is that three children, they could not find a place to play. And there is a story that revolves around this. And you have the three children along with Uncle Wayne. Now, Gautam, Sanaya and Saif lived in a building called Bharat Apartments. It has 12 floors. However, there is no place for the children to play. The only place where they can play is the staircase. Okay, yes, this is true in some apartments, children. You know, although the building may have many floors like this one, it has 12 floors, but they did not make any area for the children to play. So what will the children do? Let's find out. Sanaya: I don't like the staircase. It is dark and dirty. Gautam: it's the best place to play. Come, I'll show you how to have fun. Let's take the lift to the top floor. The children quickly go upstairs. Gautam: come on, get busy. Everybody should ring a doorbell and run. Sanaya: ring a bell? Why? Gautam: to see the fun. Come on, start running or they'll catch you. They press the doorbells of the three flats and run down the stairs. 6 floors below, they stop to listen to angry voices. First voice: what's going on here? Second voice: who rang the bell? Third voice: wait till I catch you. Saif: this is the best game I have ever played. So children, just this page, you can make out that these three children are being naughty. And they are doing something that is not liked by the neighbors. They are going to the floors and ringing the doorbells and disturbing everybody. My God, although 2 children are having fun, that's Gautam and Saif, Sanaya is not very comfortable with it. Let's see what happens. Gautam: come on, let us do it again. For a whole week, the children do it again and again. They do not get caught. Then one day, they ring the bell of a flat on the 8th floor. A man opens the door. Man: who's there? I know you kids have been troubling everyone. Come back. I want to talk to you. Saif: let's run. Sanaya: oh, Gautam's fallen and hurt himself. We have to help him. Gautam: oh, my leg, my leg. Saif: come on, get up, Gautam. The man is coming down. Gautam: you run. I can't move. Sanaya: we will not leave you here. The man catches up with them. Man: you naughty children, how can you disturb people like this? It is a very rude thing to do. Then he bends over Gautam and feels his leg gently. Man: I don't think you have broken any bones. It's just a cut. Come with me. I'll bandage it. The children follow the man into his flat. Man: come in, children. I am Venugopal. Let's be friends. Call me Uncle Venu. Tell me, why have you been troubling everyone? Sanaya: we are sorry, Uncle Venu, but there's no place for us to play. Uncle Venu: I have an idea. I have an extra room in my house. We can start a kids club here. Your kids can meet here and do whatever you like, except rude things like ringing other people's doorbells and running away. Uncle Venu smiles and pats Sanaya's cheek. Children: we're so sorry, Uncle. Uncle Venu, you must apologize to everyone you have bothered. Children, yes, we will. Thank you for being so kind. So now, children, what has happened in the story? The first time the children were being naughty, they liked it, and so they continued to play this game every week. Sorry, not every week, but for one whole week. Now, the neighbors were getting bothered. Bothered means troubled. They were getting disturbed. They were getting irritated. Who are these people? We always have to go to the door and then we see there's nobody. These children are up to no good. And then one day, what happened? Gotham fell and hurt himself. That's natural. If you're doing something naughty, it will catch up with you sometime during the day. So yes, this also happened with these little children. But there was Uncle Venu whom they had troubled. But he came in and looked up upon them and explained it to the children on how it was not a good habit to play this game. He also offered his own extra room in his house. The children were very happy, and yes, they stopped playing the game. So, very important to know how we must be well behaved